When light interacts with matter, several different processes can occur depending on the properties of the material and the wavelength of the light. The main interactions are reflection, refraction, absorption, and scattering. Reflection occurs when light bounces off a surface. If the surface is smooth, such as a mirror, the reflection is regular and produces a clear image. This follows the law of reflection, which states that the angle of incidence equals the angle of reflection. If the surface is rough, the light is reflected in many directions. This is called diffuse reflection and is why most objects can be seen from different angles. Refraction occurs when light enters a new medium and changes speed. Because the speed of light is different in different materials, the light bends at the boundary between the two media. This bending depends on the angle of incidence and the refractive indices of the materials. Refraction explains why a straw appears bent in a glass of water and how lenses focus light in devices, such as glasses and cameras. Absorption happens when light energy is taken in by a material and converted into other forms of energy, usually heat. Dark materials absorb more visible light, which is why they warm up more quickly in sunlight. The specific wavelengths absorbed by a material determine its color. Scattering occurs when light is redirected in many directions by small particles or irregularities in a medium. This is why the sky appears blue. Shorter wavelengths of visible light are scattered more strongly by air molecules than longer wavelengths. In summary, when light strikes a surface or passes through a medium, it may bounce off, bend, be absorbed, or spread out. These interactions explain many everyday optical phenomena and are fundamental to understanding how light behaves.